Nowadays, everyone knows that a CV plays a crucial role in landing a job. To stand out, you need to create an excellent CV that showcases your skills effectively. With Europass, you can easily create a professional CV for free. Let's get started. Open any web browser and search for Europass. Click on the first result to access the Europass website. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Login button. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear. Click on Sign in with a different email. After clicking, another dialog box will appear where you'll see the option to create an account. Fill out the form with your details and click Create. Since I already have an account, I'll go back and log in with my existing credentials. Select Password as the type of security. Hit the Next button and wait for the website to load. In the top right corner, click on the Me button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select My Europass. Here, you can view the details you provided during registration. On the left side of the page, you'll find the Create a CV button. Click on Create New CV. Fill in all the required details and click Next. From here, you can choose a Europass template. You'll also have the option to customize the color, text size, and Europass logo. Once done, click Next, give your CV a name, and download it. You can also search and apply for international jobs directly from Europass. Click on Job Search and enter the type of job you're looking for. For example, if I search for software, the results will display software-related jobs available across Europe. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.